This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you wish to password protect a Microsoft Office document, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Open the Microsoft Office document that you wish to protect with a password. Click on File. Select Info from the menu. Click on Protect Document. Select Encrypt with Password. Enter the password for the document and click on OK to save the seconds. Now please remember that if you forget the password, you will not be able to recover the document. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.